Okay, guys, starting off in the master bath, we sketched out that about the biggest this could be is 38 to have enough walkway in between the tub and that corner. So this is a 24-inch wide sink cabinet, drawer stack on the left, standard vanity depth 21 inches. And the laundry room, sink cabinet, standard cabinet. I had notes on here for 2 base cabinets and then a closet rod above. This was for just the base cabinets only, no uppers. I mean, we could put uppers here, but my notes didn't have that in there, but we could add them. The entryway, base cabinets, and then a couple changes with the kitchens. The kitchen. One thing I see here. Okay, so our resized window, the blind corner unit, rollouts behind these doors, the pantry cab, tray divider for cookie sheets, spice pull out, drawer stacks, fridge cabinet, glass door. This was changed to just doors. And for the island, paneling on the back, this cabinet facing this way, it's shallow to make room for the post. This is the trash cabinet. And this cabinet here, these 2 cabinets sit inside this post. So there'll be a panel here and a panel on the back side. So the countertop, they're going to have some challenges getting the countertop around the post, but with the cabinetry, we've, I think, worked around it. Microwave cabinet, that's the trash, just a standard cabinet. We've got that post in the middle. This would be a shaker panel. Then an overhang on the back side. You guys could do overhang on this side too if you wanted to, but that's our kitchen layout. All right, thanks.